Good morning. It is Tuesday, November 17th. Today, there's still a few makeup quizzes from Friday that haven't been taken. Aliyah, and David, you need to click vocabulary quiz and take it. Aliyah and Alea, you need to click spelling test and take it. Everybody else, start your morning off with the morning message like you're doing right now. Always watch it first so you can know what to do. Then you have your daily fix-it sentences and homophone sentences. Today you're going to write sentences for the last three homophones only. Nose, nose, hair, hair, one and one. Just like I showed you in class yesterday. So today you're finishing up the sentences. Then you have a homophone video to watch. It is a pretty short one, just a few minutes. It's a homophone song. Daily writing journal today is page 36. So let's see what our topic will be today for our journal. 36. Today, it's page 37 today. Let me fix that. Page 37. There we go. Teach Me Tuesday. What steps might you take to stop your friends from arguing? So when it says steps, make sure you have a step 1, a step 2, and a step 3. You could have more steps. So maybe first, tell them to stop. Step 2, maybe figure out something that they could talk about that they like. Step 3, maybe they could play a game together. 3 things you could do to stop your friends from arguing. That would be a helpful one. After you do your daily writing journal, you have spelling practice pages. Today we're on page 38. Make sure you click open with Cami right here so that you can type. And then we are on the very first one, which is your rhyming words this week. So you're going to be looking for the words that sound the same. Lean, so you want the ones that have the E sound. E, plain, lone, green. Green has the same E sound, so lean and green. You'll write green on the blank line. Healed, should, filled, helped. Hit ill, you want the ill sound. Filled, so they sound the same. Healed, filled, so filled goes on the blank. You want the words that sound the same. That means that they're rhyming. After you finish your spelling practice, then you have listen to reading. You need to listen to Selling to America on McGraw-Hill Online. Afterwards, you have a question to answer on Padlet. The question is, why did Nora and her family immigrate to America? Remember, our stories are about immigration. In this story, you're going to read about a girl named Nora and her family, and they're going to immigrate from the country Ireland to America. What you need to answer this page by pressing the plus sign is, why did they immigrate? Remember, we talked about all the reasons why people immigrated yesterday. So you got to figure out which one of those reasons did this family immigrate for when you listen to the story and add your answer here. After you do your reading, then you can take your recess break, 10 minutes, and then at 9:30 to 10 o'clock, I will be on IXL for 30 minutes watching you work. Everyone should be on it, 9:30 to 10, IXL.com, level E, E1, E2, E3, all the way to E8. I left the same assignment as yesterday because so many still need to do their E's. Here is your score grid for the E's. Here's understanding multiplication, E1, all the way to E8. Ashley, you need to finish E2 and E3. Georgina, E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7. Viola, you need to keep working on E6, E7, and E8. Vincent, E5 to E8. Morris, you need to finish E3 and then work till E8. Ali and Alea start on E2. Alani start on E2. Imani start on E2. Maya, you're done with your E's, so you may choose any gold star that you haven't done yet. London, start on E4. Maricela, start on E4. Azariah, start on E2. Micah, any gold star. David, start on E4. Cyrus, any gold star. Carlos, start on E5. Jacob, any gold star. Nevaeh, start on E5. Amir, start on E3, or you can finish E2 or E1. James, finish E1 and start on E2. And Lizeth, you may choose any gold star. That is what you should be working on in IXL this morning. I'm expecting more IXL to be done today than was done yesterday, since this is the second day that we're having math in the morning. Then, right after you're done with math, we have Zoom. So here is our Zoom, what we will be doing today, if you would like to check. And then specials is after class. Lastly, remember I said at 8 o'clock there will be a check-in meeting. If you would like to log in at 8 o'clock, you may log in and check in with me that you're starting your work. The only people that must log in right now at 8 o'clock are Alani, Imani, Vayula, and I would also like London to try to log in at 8 o'clock for sure, so I can check in with you as you start your work. Everybody else, feel free to log on at 8 o'clock on Zoom if you would like to be in the morning meeting and just to get started for the day. But you do not have to. Our normal meeting is at 10 o'clock still. Have a great morning, and I will see you all later.